Congratulations on getting started. The Cognitive Styles Assessment you just ordered is just one part of what we call the Core 4 Hiring and Key Strengths solution. The other three assessments are Emotional Agility, Action Approach, and Inspiration Sources, which are listed below. These four assessments are the holy grail when it comes to understanding and optimizing your team and determining the suitability of prospective hires. You get a personalized report for each one with explanations and summaries so you can understand the significance of your scores. If you click on the button below before closing this page, we're going to add the other three assessments for a ridiculously low price, so you'll get the whole Core 4 solution experience for about half the price of just one of them. This is the only time you'll see this offer. It's really just our way of enticing you to act so you can experience the full benefit of these amazing insights. Only then can you see how essential it will be to have this information for everyone else on your team and for those you're considering hiring. So go ahead and click the orange button below to get all the Core 4 assessments, each with its own report and scores. You will absolutely love these assessments, or it will give you all your money back. You really can't lose. You'll never see this price again, so why not take advantage of this offer when you have the chance? If you leave this page without taking action, the offer will be gone forever. So go ahead and click the orange button to add the other three Core 4 assessments to your order. I know you'll be glad you did. Thank you so much for joining us. We're excited to have you on board.